We're surrounded by innovation buzzwords. In today's environment, everyone emphasizes the need to be agile and adaptive. But the truth is that innovation is risky and expensive. So we turn innovation to be synonym with improvement, making many small innovation projects in different aspects of the system. But this will rarely give us the next jump in performance. Many small improvements can make us more efficient, but they will not add up to a major competitive advantage. For this, we need a strategic innovation that will remove a significant need of a customer in a way that was not possible before. I would like to present you with the TOC, Theory of Constraints process for business innovation, a practical process that guides business development teams to come up with the next breakthrough product or service or business models. This process provides tools for each step of the innovation journey, from value analysis and ideation through concept design and evaluation, business model and buying process design, to developing an execution plan that is agile and responsive to accommodate the requirements of innovation development. Join me in our next event where I will share with you the TOC process for business innovation, the process that keeps business development teams on track and focus on value delivery. You'll see how the process enables to reach consensus on what should be done and what should be stopped or postponed. We will share with you case studies of many companies around the world who already applied this process. Hope to see you there. Thanks so much.